In this video, we're going to take an in-depth look at the Inspection Certification Associates online home inspection course. Okay, in this video, we're going to take a look at the Inspection Certification Associates, or ICA. We're going to take a deep dive into their actual course to show you what you're going to receive once you sign up. So once you do sign up, you're going to get access to your dashboard. This is where you access the course. And as you can see here, the Home Inspection Certification Program is made up of 24 different modules, quizzes throughout, your final exams, and then you have your bonus courses that they also give you with the course. In fact, ICA is one of the only programs that offers all these bonus courses for free, and you get over 15 bonus courses, so it's actually a lot for your money. So you get the inspection marketing course, commercial inspection course, mold, radon, and so on. You can read about all these courses on their website, but I just wanted to show you that you have access to these once you sign up. So let's look at what the course itself looks like. So once you have your course instructions, you can go through that, and then here's what the actual courses and the modules look like. It's all video based, so once you're inside,
one other thing I would mention,
you can see the videos here. So I'll just play a little bit of the video.
If you're doing a home inspection and you find that the water has been shut off and someone else turns...
So you can see that the course is video based, which makes it quite nice. It's much easier to retain the information. They have great graphics throughout. They even provide graphics and photos of actual situations you're going to encounter as a home inspector. It's pretty nice. You don't see that in all home inspection courses. They have easy navigation. Just click next to go to the next module. You have, when you finish certain modules, you're going to have quizzes that you can take. Not going to take that at the moment, but we're going to look at another module here just to show you. Module 2, Legal and Business.
Module 2, the legal and business aspects of home inspections.
And so you can...
Here's what we'll be covering in this module.
You can see you can navigate throughout the course here, and each time module 2, at the end of module 2, you'll have a quiz. So at the end of each module, there's a quiz. All the modules are pretty much set up the same, where they are video based.
Module 3,
and finish that, and then at the end, at the end of that module, you'll take a quiz, and you need to get 80% pass mark. It's very simple the way it's laid out. It's a nice, very easy to use interface with a tremendous amount of information. You also have additional resources that you can access and download, but the course itself is very extensive, and you will not find a more extensive home inspection course on the market. Now, they also, this is a great bonus, they also offer, as part of your membership, free home inspection report software. It's called Report Form Pro Nitro, and you can actually use this in your career as a home inspector. To buy this separately, it could run anywhere over $700, so this is a great extra free bonus that you receive. So we have looked at other home inspection courses, and you can see some of those in our videos and on our website. We recommend ICA, Inspection Certification Associates, as the #1 home inspection course that we recommend. And if you're interested in signing up, you can find the links below this video. I hope this helps, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below the video, or contact us on our website, and we will be sure to answer your questions. Thanks for watching.